You have to try this watermelon cucumber feta salad. It's like a blast of summer in every bite. Hey, I'm Marianne and welcome to Wellness This Way. We're all about helping you get healthy. And if you like what you're about to see, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this. Hit the bell icon for future notifications. All right, so let's get started on what you'll need for this recipe. First, grab a knife to cut your watermelon, a cutting board, a serving bowl, and a large spoon to serve and stir your ingredients. Speaking of ingredients, you'll need your watermelon cut in chunks, an English cucumber, red onion that's diced, lettuce of your choice, chopped mint, and feta cheese, and you can use dairy-free for this recipe if you want to. Then for the dressing, you'll need your choice of oil. I use olive oil or avocado oil, salt and pepper, and lemon. And stir it up, and you're ready to serve. Yummy. You could do one or two things with your chopped shallots. You can use them as a garnish, or you could just mix them into your ingredients. So why do you want to make this recipe? Well, let's just talk about the two main ingredients. Watermelon, for example, has more lycopene than any other fruit or vegetable. Lycopene is an antioxidant that fights cancer, heart disease, and age-related eye disease. It also contains vitamin A, and it's 92% water, which helps keep you hydrated. Cucumbers are full of vitamin K, which strengthens your bones. They also help with gut health and hydration. Well, I can't wait for you to try this recipe and let me know how you like it in the comment section below. I'll see you next time for the next recipe.